बड़े साहब
Hey, Paravai.
बड़े बड़े साहब
Oh, Bujumara, you seem to be a real leader. Hats off to you, sir. Wanglu Saab, always your blessing. Bujumara, Rath was function. Function, very important function. Varkar Divgon, Chaz, Dhruv, Mozasun, and you just see how beautiful the ambience is. Everybody is here. But now is a question. Question, me which Rath pattern, but hat sit chuna, and Prasna Var. You want to watch Nanaji Rana. ये हमारा जो रात बना वार तो है ये हमारा जो रात पर 48 आवर्स पर सेम ड्रेस which हमारा देखो प्रोटोकॉल संगीत और ड्रेस लगे ये हमारा also संगीत now he claims to be a leader. I tell him that you are a fictitious leader, not correct. He should be the leader. He is the leader. He is actual leader. Sir, you have to give a clarification, otherwise it will go like this.
I am a
Video.
Sevak, I am not a leader. I am a
Sevak. So he has given a clarification. He is Sevak. He is Pradhan Sevak. Sevak number 2 Modi Singh Patan.
48 inch wala Sevak.
48 inch, not 52 inch. So that is good, sir. That is good. Hats off to you, sir. He has given a clarification that he is Sevak, not leader. But leader to you accept karna leadership. Though aim though phatkare buchus leader, buchus Sevak. And is the one leader, right? Okay. It has been a consensus. Modi-nomics, Modi asar chupomut ke everybody wants to be a Sevak now. Broad as a leader, har kahan was leader kursi ratan. So that is conclusion is, ladies and gentlemen, now that it is everybody wants to be a Sevak, everybody wants to be a Chokidar, and everybody wants to be the Samaj Sevak. So Chokidar, so just see that Moza Sahab also is there, and then the sister. So God bless, great. No, Kichlu is not here, sir. Kichlu is not. Who is not here, he is not to be discussed. We are the only people here.
पुणे में रिले करना है ना आपने
Okay.